Welcome back. In this session, we will look into numbers in JSON. How to represent numeric data. In JSON, JavaScript object notation, numeric data is represented in a straightforward manner. JSON supports number data types, which can be either integers or floating point numbers. There is no distinction between different types of numbers, such as int, float, or double. All numbers are represented in the same way. Here is how numeric data can be expressed in JSON. Integers, a sequence of digits without a decimal point, example, 42 minus 17. Floating point numbers, a sequence of digits with a decimal point, example, 3.14159 minus 0.001. Exponents, numbers can also be written in exponential notation like this given example. Here is an example of a JSON object that includes various numeric data. This is a JSON, JavaScript object notation, object representing a set of numerical values. Let's break down each key value pair. Integer value, 123. This key value pair indicates that the variable named integer value has an integer value of 123. In JSON, integers are not quoted. Floating point value, 45.67. The key floating point value is associated with the floating point number 45.67. Floating point numbers are used to represent decimal values. Negative value, minus 890. The key negative value has a value of minus 890, indicating a negative integer. Zero value, 0. This key value pair states that the variable zero value has a value of 0. It represents the integer 0. Exponential value, 3.14 times 10 to the power of 15. The key exponential value is associated with the value 3.14 times 10 to the power of 15. This is a floating point number written in scientific notation, where E15 represents 10 to the power of 15. So, this value is equivalent to 3.14 multiplied by 10 to the power of 15. In summary, this JSON object represents a collection of numeric values with different types, integer and floating point, and includes positive, negative, 0, and a large value written in scientific notation. JSON is a data interchange format, and in this context, it's used to represent structured data with numerical values. Let's now discuss about what thing not supported in JSON. JSON does not support non-numeric values, nan, positive or negative infinity, or comments. All numeric values must be finite. Moreover, numeric precision in JSON depends on the JSON parser and the underlying programming language or platform being used, as JSON itself does not impose any specific limitations. And this is what I wanted to discuss in this session. On this note, I am stopping over here. See you in the next session.